Doors prefabricated housing redefines speed and strength in construction. Its fully equipped modular units, complete with plumbing, wiring, flooring, and ventilation, arrive ready to stack, slashing build times by up to 50%. From luxury residences to emergency shelters, these modules suit every scenario. Need a hospital or hotel in months, not years? Done. Built for extreme climates and seismic zones, Doors' structures stand tough where others fail. Their adaptability is unmatched, perfect for military bases, oil sites, or disaster relief. Why wait on traditional methods when you can build faster, stronger, and smarter? This isn't just construction. It's a revolution in how we live, work, and respond to the world's toughest challenges. SmartBark siding delivers the beauty of rare wood without the cost, legal hassle, or maintenance. Crafted from synthetic bark, it looks astonishingly real, giving designers a bold, natural aesthetic that's both sustainable and stunning. Builders love the oversized panels, like the 6161cm Slim Pro Big Dan, because fewer pieces mean faster installs. No insects, no rot, no chemical treatments. Just low-maintenance durability, backed by an exclusive 25-year warranty. Whether you're cladding a cabin or modern home, SmartBark makes nature-inspired design easy, affordable, and long-lasting. Why settle for costly hardwood when you can get all the charm with none of the compromises? Alseco's stone effect brings the elegance of natural stone, without the weight, cost, or complexity. This decorative plaster flawlessly mimics stone masonry or textured rock, perfect for both facades and interiors. From rugged textures to near-polished finishes, it delivers stunning visual depth that transforms any surface. Easy to apply with standard tools, it skips the heavy lifting of real stone, literally. It's lighter on your structure and your budget. Whether you're going for timeless charm or bold modern edges, Alseco lets you customize every detail without compromise. Why haul heavy stone when this gives you the same jaw-dropping results with none of the hassle? Sugarcrete transforms sugarcane waste into a powerful, planet-friendly building solution. Made by combining fibrous residue from sugar production with a mineral binder, it forms durable, cost-effective blocks ideal for load-bearing walls. These blocks cure 5 times faster than concrete, 5 times. That means quicker builds, lower labor costs, and less waiting. And despite being lighter on your wallet and the environment, they don't compromise on strength. Perfect for sustainable construction, Sugarcrete turns agricultural waste into architectural innovation. Why pour more carbon-heavy concrete when this sweet solution builds faster, costs less, and helps the planet too? Bison level-up deck pedestals make building a deck faster, easier, and smarter. No digging, no concrete, no mess. Just place, adjust, and build. Each pedestal supports up to 340 kilograms and adjusts from 7 to 18 centimeters without tools. Resistant to frost, mold, and moisture, it's built for all weather and all surfaces. Gravel, concrete, soil, even paving. Got a slope? No problem. It compensates for gradients up to 8% with total ease. Ideal for decks 2.4 by 2.4 meters and up, this system is a dream for pros and DIers alike. Why waste hours leveling and pouring when Level Up does it all in minutes? Like New Concrete gives old, tired surfaces a second life without needing pro skills or pricey tools. Just clean, mix the 2 components, and spray it on with a basic garden sprayer. Instantly, stains vanish, cracks fade, and the surface looks fresh, smooth, and new again. Walk on it in 30 minutes, fully cured in 2 hours, perfect for high-traffic spots like stadiums or sidewalks. And the price? Less than $10 per square meter. Whether it's patios, driveways, or public spaces, Like New makes concrete restoration shockingly easy and affordable. Why rip it out when you can refresh it this fast and look this good? TrickBrickU turns construction into a fast, efficient, and eco-conscious game-changer. Using micro-modular blocks made partly from damaged wood, it's a smart blend of sustainability and speed. Blocks connect via special pins. No mortar, no mess, just click and build simplicity. Builders can complete 500 square meters in just 2 days. That's speed you can't ignore. Even better, the blocks are reusable, slashing waste and long-term costs. Perfect for temporary structures, rapid builds, or green construction, TriCupric redefines what's possible on site. Why stick with slow, wasteful methods when this system builds smarter, cleaner, and way faster? Pink Next-Gen fiberglass insulation makes comfort and performance easier than ever. Its advanced fibers install 23% faster with a soft, cotton-like feel that won't irritate skin or fill the air with dust. Cutting? A breeze. Use it anywhere, from attic to basement, wood to steel frames. It resists mold, won't settle, and skips harmful additives like formaldehyde and flame retardants. Made from recyclable materials, it's as sustainable as it is efficient. No wonder pros who try it once keep coming back for more. Why wrestle with itchy, outdated insulation when Pink Next-Gen delivers speed, safety, and serious comfort in one smart package? FP McCann Easy Base makes well installation fast, foolproof, and built to last. Each base sets in minutes, no complex prep, no delays, then seamlessly connects to pipes up to 1.2 meters in diameter. It works with everything from concrete to PVC, giving builders total flexibility. And the durability? Unmatched, with an 80-year warranty. That means fewer repairs, longer lifespans, and peace of mind. Its high-quality construction ensures excellent sealing, minimizing groundwater contamination risks, a huge win for environmental safety. Why struggle with traditional foundations when Easy Base delivers strength, speed, and security in one brilliant solution? Takuma E-Tau is a game-changer for water sports enthusiasts. This self-controlled electric towing craft eliminates the need for boats, giving riders the ultimate freedom on the water. With a 45 kilometers per hour top speed and an 85-minute runtime, it delivers endless thrills on a single charge. Need control? Its 600 meters remote range lets you command it effortlessly. Safety is built in. It maintains distance from obstacles, and even flips itself upright if knocked over by waves. Perfect for wakeboarding, foiling, or surfing without a driver, it redefines how we ride the water. At $99,000, it's not just an innovation, it's a revolution in water sports. Ready to ride the future? The Airfish 8 is a high-speed, wing-in-ground effect craft that skims just above water, delivering a ride like no other. With a 167 kilometers per hour top speed, it cuts travel time dramatically, making it perfect for tourism, cargo, or even military use. Powered by a car engine, it boasts a 555 kilometers range, expandable to 1,052 kilometers with larger fuel tanks. Surprisingly, it only requires one pilot for full control. Designed to handle waves up to 3 meters and winds up to 8 meters per second, it ensures smooth, efficient transport even in rough conditions. With only 10 seats, exclusivity is guaranteed. Faster than boats, more efficient than planes. This is the future of overwater travel. The AC-75 is not just a yacht, it's a flying machine on water. Built for the America's Cup, this 23-meter marvel defies tradition, using foiling technology to lift completely out of the water, reducing drag and maximizing speed. Weighing just 6.5 tons, it's nearly 3 times lighter than past champions like Black Magic. And speed? The Ineos Team UK pushed it to an insane 93 kilometers per hour. Customizable by each team, its design is so advanced it's been compared to aircraft engineering. This is more than sailing. It's a battle of technology, precision, and pure adrenaline. The AC-75 isn't just changing the sport, it's redefining what's possible on water. The Flyway is the world's first hydrofoil e-jet ski, bringing a whole new level of excitement to water sports. Unlike traditional jet skis, it flies above water, cutting energy consumption by 70% for longer rides and more stunts on a single charge. Instead of a standard water jet, it features a propeller system for smooth, efficient propulsion, while a rudder-based steering system enhances precision. And just when you thought it couldn't get cooler, it comes with a built-in Bluetooth speaker for the ultimate ride experience. At $15,500, it's not just a jet ski, it's the future of high-performance, eco-friendly water sports. Ready to fly over water. The Neoscene Overboat is a personal electric hydrofoil that lets you fly over water with zero noise and zero emissions. Designed for efficiency and stability, its underwater wings lifted above the surface, cutting energy use by 60% while delivering a smooth, silent ride. Its lightweight frame ensures effortless takeoff, making every journey seamless. With a top speed of 15 knots, it's perfect for eco-friendly cruising, offering an unmatched blend of performance and sustainability. Whether for leisure or adventure, the Overboat redefines personal watercraft. No waves, no noise, just pure flight over water. The Racebird is the future of electric speedboat racing. Built for the E1 series, this 200 horsepower hydrofoil cuts through water with minimal resistance, delivering a smooth, high-speed experience. With a top speed of 93 kilometers per hour, it may be slower than fuel-powered rivals, but its near-zero wake and silent electric motor make it a game-changer in sustainable racing. Designed for efficiency and agility, it requires just 2 full recharges per race, keeping the action fast and eco-friendly. Formula E conquered land. Now Racebird is electrifying the water. The Sea Imagine Aurora is redefining personal submarines. Designed for luxury, safety, and deep-sea exploration, this cutting-edge submersible offers models for every adventure. The Aurora 3C fits 3 passengers and dives up to 1 kilometer, while the Aurora 100 carries 7 to a staggering 2.3 kilometers depth. Need more? Custom upgrades include robotic manipulators, 6K 360-degree filming systems, and sample collection tools for research or pure exploration. With over 12,000 successful dives, Sea Imagine proves unmatched reliability. Whether for leisure, tourism, or scientific discovery, this $3.5 million marvel is your private gateway to the deep. Jet, the ultimate underwater jetpack. Experience the future of underwater exploration with CudaJet, a fully autonomous jetpack that propels you through the depths at an astonishing 3 meters per second for up to 90 minutes. Controlled by your body movements, its hydrodynamic design minimizes resistance, ensuring effortless agility. The carbon fiber frame, engineered to spacesuit standards, delivers unmatched strength, flexibility, and lightweight performance. A built-in display keeps you informed in real time, while the quick-release system ensures maximum safety. Every component fits neatly into a protective carrying case for easy transport. Whether you're a diver, explorer, or thrill seeker, CudaJet redefines underwater mobility like never before. Hydrobob. Dive without limits? Meet Hydrobob, the revolutionary underwater scooter designed for everyone, even if you can't swim or scuba dive. This incredible submersible takes you 30 meters deep, keeping your head safe inside a transparent oxygen-filled dome for a clear, effortless experience. Powered by a 12-volt motor, it glides smoothly at 3.7 kilometers per hour, making underwater exploration fun, easy, and safe. Forget heavy gear. Just sit, ride, and enjoy the freedom of the ocean. Already 350 units in action, Hydrobob is redefining the way we explore the deep. Whether you're a beginner or an adventurer, this game-changing scooter brings the underwater world to everyone. Foil One Pegasus, the future of flying boats? Glide effortlessly above the water with the Foil One Pegasus, a masterpiece of carbon fiber engineering that blends strength, flexibility, and cutting-edge design. Powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor and dual 5 kilowatt-hour batteries, it fully charges in under 2 hours and delivers over 2 hours of pure adrenaline. With hot cruising speed of 37 kilometers per hour and a blazing top speed of 56 kilometers per hour, Pegasus soars silently over the waves, generating zero noise, zero wake, just pure thrill. Inspired by 1950s Formula One cars and WWI aviation, its sleek build offers motorcycle-like handling for an unparalleled